Don't overwork yourself.
I was Judy's official first hater.
There's times when I was really burnt out and I had to...
I was Judy's official first hater, saying, hey, you're wasting your time on YouTube.
You're always going to have people that judge you, especially if you come from conservative parents. My parents are both Catholic, conservative, first generation here, moving here from the Philippines. In their mind, you go to school, you get a good job, just have steady money and work to support your family. Mom she wasn't as understanding, but when she saw that we were starting to live a life for ourselves, then she was becoming more understanding. And I mean, Mom's my number one fan. Yeah. But my advice to others is to just do what you're passionate. If you're passionate about being a doctor, then completely go for it. If you're passionate about sharing tips on how to keep plants alive, use YouTube as a platform or start a small business, Like there's so many opportunities out there. They're going to judge you whether you're on the internet or not. I mean, as long as you're passionate about it. For example, some people may be into, gaming or whatever, but then they don't know how to edit. You can find people that would enjoy that. Me personally, I love editing. I find it fun and creative, so I like recording and editing, but you don't have to do it all. I think the reason why we were able to keep up with YouTube for over a decade was because I don't do it all and I don't try to do it all.
Yeah.
Don't overwork yourself. There's times when I was really burnt out and I had to just do less work.
Oh yeah, and
it's helped
you stopped
me immensely.
Your beauty channel too.
It was what I needed to have that refresher, but I'm still so passionate about the vlogs. Yeah. I love it. Like I said, I mean, this might be a selfish thing, but I see it as our diary, as our daily diary, and I love just documenting it.
The magic of editing, something as simple as working in the garden,
really
cooking,
It truly is the magic of editing. Like when you're cooking, or whenever you're on the vlog, I always try to find a way to make it quirky. When you work out, like you're so sexy AF, but I'll put like crazy music, like clown music.
Clown music.
That's cold. Oh, it's icy.
But no, it's all for fun. I enjoy it. Like I love editing and laughing at the same time. Oh, time blocking is like my number one tip. Having a consistent time in the day where like especially if you have kids, that the kids are occupied. The kids started kindergarten and I was like, what do I do with all this time? Get pregnant. No, but really utilize those times when you have that free time.
Yeah.
Get it done. And sometimes that also means doing it when the kids are asleep. And if that means, you lose just 1 hour of sleep, take advantage of it. So time blocking is huge. Also, when you have a partner that understands that, you need this time to work, just be on the same page, have that communication with your partner. And number one, just stay passionate. If you lose your passion, then you're just dragging along and it's not going to be fun for anybody.